Hi, it's Dr. Mo again at Fairfax Chiropractic. We're here with Isabella. Isabella is 11 years old. She has asthma, but is induced in the spring because of all the allergies that go around. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust her, and we'll go from there. All right, you ready, Isabella? All right, Isabella, go ahead and take your glasses off. Give me your glasses. Go ahead and go face down for me. So Isabella's been adjusting since she was a little girl. So she's pretty familiar with it. So yeah, her hip is out. And usually, because of the asthma, she coughs a lot during the spring season. So her ribs and her mid back are really tight. So you're gonna be hearing some cracks here. Here we go. Deep breath for me, Isabel. All the way out. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good job. This side up for me, Isabel. No, on the other side, silly. This one. Beautiful. You ready? Deep breath again. All the way out. Good. Good job. Same thing other side. Straight this for me. Good. Deep breath. Good job. Let's go face up. So, actually lay face up. Usually, Isabella, I either do manual or use an arthro stem. Today I'm going to do manual because she's a little tight. Alright, relax as much as you can, girl. Good job. Relax. Good. One more. Okay, Isabella, you did awesome. You are done.